Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making blue cheese stuffed pork chops in the Copper Chef XL. Okay guys, I'm starting out here. I have some center cut boneless pork chops. I season them with salt and pepper and I cut a little pocket in them to stuff the stuffing and that blue cheese. I'm using cornbread stuffing here, the instant stuffing. We're going to put blue cheese in there. So I'm going to go ahead and take a pork chop and get some of this stuffing. Now if you make this ahead of time, that'd be great so it's cool to the touch. My stuffing's still warm. Now I'm going to dump some of my blue cheese here on the container that pork chops come in so I don't cross-contaminate all my blue cheese, because we're not going to use all of it. And I'm going to stuff some in the cavity with the stuffing. Just want to cram it down in there. Now you don't want to overstuff your pork chop, because I've done that before and then it splits open in the back or it doesn't work out right for you. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff all my pork chops, and when I get them all stuffed up and ready to fry, I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, now I have my pork chops all stuffed. In my Copper Chef I have preheated. I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil. And Dexter's all wound up today guys. And I'm also going to add in some butter. The butter's just going to make this just that much more delicious. More luscious, if you would. Get that down in there. Now I'm going to start frying my pork chops, and hopefully I can get all 6 of them in here at once. And my local grocery store, Wise, ran a good deal on these pork chops. It was buy 1 pack, get 2 free. And normally they jack the price of outrageous for the first pack. But for these 6 boneless pork chops, it was only about $8 or $9, so they really didn't jack the price up on them. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pork chops in here. And I'm going to get them nice and brown. Now we're not going to cook them through, we're just going to brown them. We're going to finish them off in the oven. So when I get my pork chops all browned up and I'm ready to put them in the oven, I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, now that my pork chops are all nice and golden brown and they're looking delicious, I'm going to put them in a 450 degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes uncovered to finish cooking them through. Okay guys, I left my pork chops go for 10 minutes, they're done. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some au gratin potatoes to go with this, and I garnished it with a little bit of parsley. Let me get in here and try the chop. Now you can see the stuffing just oozing out of there. That's why you really don't want to overstuff it anyways. As you can see, my chop is cooked through. Give that a taste. That's really good, guys. Pork chop's tender. Well seasoned. You can taste that blue cheese and the cornbread stuffing coming through. That's a really nice pork chop, guys. Alright, there you have it. Blue cheese stuffed pork chops in a Copper Chef XL. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.